Hello everyone. Today we will going to talk about conic section. Conic section. So what is a conic section? So basically, according to definition, conic section is a curve of intersection of a plane with a right circular cone having two names. So let's visualize how this forms. So we have here this figure. Oops, too big. Yeah. Okay. So we have here a cone having two names. So imagine that we have drawn a plane in such a way that the plane intersects the figure. So for example, this one. So this plane over here, when we draw the intersection of the cone and the plane onto two-dimensional axis. So how does it look like? It looks like this. So this is the first type of a conic section. This is a circle. Okay. So next, when we draw an intersecting plane in this way, this manner, and when we draw the intersecting plane, the intersection of the plane and the cone, does it looks like? It looks like this. The resulting figure is a what? This is a parabola. Okay. So next, when we draw the intersecting plane in this manner, so and when we project the intersection onto a two-dimensional plane, how does it looks like? Looks like this. The resulting figure is an ellipse. Next is this one. So let me draw. When we have oriented our intersecting plane in this way, resulting figure of intersection of the plane and the cone looks like this one. The resulting figure is called a hyperbola. These four here, the circle, the parabola, the ellipse, and the hyperbola, are called conic section. Each curve looks differently, and each curve has its own characteristics. However, there are still other things that may be formed when we draw an intersecting plane onto this, slicing this cone. For example, when we draw a plane this way, such a way that it intersects at this point here, the vertex cones. So how does it looks like when we project the intersection onto a plane? It looks like it is just a point, right? It's just a point. And another one is when we draw our line that in such a way that it is oriented, that is slicing the cone along these edges of the cone. Now, of course, the intersection looks like a line. For example, like that. This is a line. Next one is that when the plane does not intersect the cone at all. So of course, there is no graph that forms. So this is an empty set. These three are special types of conic section that we will be dealing at the end. However, we need to discuss first the first type. So you have the circle. So this will be our topic the next video. Stay tuned.